Home buyers out there, what time is it? It's time for you to buy your new home. We are about to unload our newest listing, 428 Gilbert Ave in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, renovated product. Let's go inside. Welcome inside, everyone. The first floor has a gigantic, oversized living room, an eat-in kitchen, 2 oversized bedrooms, a full bath. Oh, and I forgot to mention, central air. As you make your way upstairs to the second floor, you have 2 great sized bedrooms and a full bath. As you head downstairs to the basement, in the basement you have an exercise/rec room, an awesome summer kitchen, another potential guest bedroom, a full bath, and best of all, a complete walkout to the outside.